I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing a neutral color card in the scene at subject distance so it receives identical light. Once positioned, switch to RAW and manual exposure to prevent automatic shifts. Lock ISO, aperture, and shutter speed so the card records the true scene values. Make sure the card faces the camera squarely and that no specular highlights hit it, because accurate reference requires flat, even illumination. This step gives you, once the card is set, shoot a tight frame of the card alone for the pure reference, then a frame showing card and subject together so you capture relative color. Next, remove the card and shoot the full scene. Make sure you maintain the same white balance or note the setting. If lighting flickers, bracket exposures by 1/3 to 1 stop to protect detail. These controlled images let you separate camera color bias from scene color during editing. You import the RAW files and use the reference card frame to set neutral gray or build a color profile. Apply that correction to the subject frames. Then, adjust temperature, tint, and exposure so skin tones and known colors read naturally versus your scene intent. Once done, inspect highlights and shadows for clipping introduced by correction. If colors look off, make sure the card wasn't reflective, exposures were locked, and lighting didn't change. Reshoot the reference if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.